So I started to make the video, and then I realized that I was measuring wrong because I didn't have as much starter as I thought I had. So anyway, in this bowl, I have 350 grams of water and 100 grams of starter. My starter I mixed last night, I don't know, maybe around 10 o'clock or so. I don't know. It's 5 now. It peaked and then it came back down. So on my jar, I put a little rubber band, and then when it gets doubled, that's when it's at peak. I like to use it when it's just starting to come back from being peak. And I don't keep that much. Like I said, like I just mixed 100 grams in, and as you can see, like I don't have that much left in there. Like even if I put it on my scale here, which I wiped down, so now it has water all over it, but tear that. This is a terrible video, so sorry. And if I'm weighing this, my jar weighs 360 grams, 357 grams. So it's at 380. So that means like I only have about 20 grams of starter in here. So after I'm done mixing my dough up here, I'll go ahead and I'll mix in 20 grams of flour, 20 grams of water. So I have this, and I just like to go ahead and get it kind of nice and incorporated. And then flour. Some people use bread flour. I'm too cheap for that, so I just use all-purpose flour. I do like to get unbleached. A lot of people are like, oh, it can't be enriched. It can't, like, I don't think it, honestly, I mean, if I want to get really super crazy, I guess I could, but I don't. So that's that. You can tear the scale, and then it's 500 grams of flour. So we'll go ahead, and it doesn't have to be super exact. Let's see if I can do this one handed while I am filming. Super fun. I just dump it in. I suppose I could pause this while I'm doing this, but oh well. Okay, so that's actually at 504. Literally, like, it's going to be like a pinch to make it 500. So like I don't usually worry too much, like I said. So now we have everything in our bowl that we're going to put in right now. I like to wait to add my salt because I feel like it makes the dough a little easier to work with. Different people think different things on that. Totally up to you. So I just go ahead and I mix it up. Some people use a fancy whisk to do this. I have one and it broke, and I don't really miss it. So I just use a fork and kind of get it all mixed together, at least a little bit. Scrape it off there. And I just always keep like my measuring cup, like with water, to just like throw my utensils in. And then this is the part that's a little bit less fun because you don't like getting your hands dirty. But you go ahead and just mix it. It doesn't have to be like super. It's going to be kind of just like like shaggy, really sticky dough at this point. You just sort of don't want like big pockets of dry flour. So just enough to get it incorporated, because we're going to be mixing again anyway when we add the salt. So this is just kind of like to let the flour like hydrate and like really absorb all that water. And then what I do is I take like a little scraper. You can actually just get these at like Lowe's or Home Depot, or you can order an actual bread one. And I scrape down the sides of my bowl. So that's the first step. And we'll go ahead and we'll let this sit for about a half hour, and then we'll add our salt.